If you notice your stencils are printing with distortion like this right here, this is a simple fix. This is some Scotch tape, although you can use any tape that you'd like. Just make sure it's not Gorilla Tape or something too strong. You're gonna see that I'm just gonna dab it over these areas right here. Then it cleans up that unwanted distortion around the print, leaving what was supposed to be initially printed only. If we pay attention here, we're gonna see that this design has distortion all throughout. So if yours ever print like this, you don't need to throw your stencil away. All you have to do is just get some tape, whether it's Scotch tape, you could use a medical tape, something with a soft adhesive, and then just simply go over these areas until all the distortion is gone and your stencil is complete and more workable. You really don't want to press it down with too much force either. When I do this, I'm just dabbing the area, and as the adhesive gets a little bit weaker, I could start applying a little bit more force. But I don't abruptly go with force as if I'm trying to tape something down, as that could potentially ruin or tear the entire stencil, which means we're gonna have to start from ground all the way back up and then build our way all the way back up. So you want to be gentle. As the adhesive weakens, then you kind of press a little bit more pressure there, or apply a little bit more pressure. But I don't do straight pressure off the top, so that way I don't risk damaging like that. You see how it's stuck right here? I have to be careful, because if I pull it off, I can risk having to start all over. If you accidentally stick your tape down, try to pull it off at an angle like so. So that way you prevent any sort of damage to the paper, as I mentioned. And you want to do that slowly as well.
Are you wanting to develop your tattooing skill sets? Now you can practice and develop anytime, any place with an assortment of tattooing workbooks that I've created. With these assorted tattooing workbooks, we can practice our basic lining all the way to advanced lining. We can practice shading, shading placement, dot work, textures, and more. All we are going to need is a tattoo workbook of mine. We can use a pencil, pen. We can even use a tattoo machine with a ballpoint cartridge to develop our tattooing abilities further. That means that we don't need tattoo ink, we don't need napkins or petroleum jelly to get to practicing. Simply open one of my tattooing workbooks and get going. It really is that easy. You can get your hands on one of my developmental tattooing assorted workbooks by simply clicking the links in my description or in the pinned comment section below, or navigating on over to Amazon.com, typing in Daniel Yuck, and you'll see all of the assorted tattoo workbooks that I've created come up. If you have an Amazon account, be sure to follow my Amazon author page, as well as I would greatly appreciate your support. Should you have any questions at all, drop them in the comment section down below. I will do my best to assist you in the best possible direction.